If you work in earth science, geology, oceanography, or geospatial analysis, there's a tool you should know about, GeoMapApp. In this first episode of What is New In, we're looking at what GeoMapApp is, why it matters, how it is used by researchers and educators, and what's new in the latest version. Welcome to the first episode of What is New in the series where we explore new tools, new methods, and new developments in earth science and AI applied to earth science. Today we're starting with GeoMapApp, a powerful free application for exploring and visualizing earth science data. If you work with maps, geophysics, geology, geochemistry, or marine data, this is a tool worth knowing. GeoMapApp is a desktop mapping and visualization platform developed for earth scientists. It lets you view and combine many types of geoscience data on one map, from topography and bathymetry to earthquakes, gravity, magnetics, geology, geochemistry, and oceanographic data. GeoMapApp is widely used for exploring regional and global earth science data, creating maps and figures for reports, papers, and talks, teaching geology and geophysics with real data, integrating different data sets into one spatial view, investigating marine and terrestrial geoscience problems. For many users, its strength is not just in displaying data, but in helping you understand relationships between data sets and their geographic context. What makes GeoMapApp especially valuable is that it bridges data access and interpretation. Instead of jumping between multiple sources and software packages, you can often bring data into one environment and work with it directly. The latest release is GeoMapApp 3.7.6, and this is the version to highlight in the first episode. When presenting this section, keep the focus on the newest changes introduced in the current release notes, such as improvements in stability, workflow, data handling, or interface updates depending on the exact feature list you want to showcase. GeoMapApp remains a very practical tool for earth scientists who need a flexible way to explore and visualize data. It is especially relevant for anyone working across geology, geophysics, oceanography, and environmental applications. Closing CTA. If you enjoyed this first episode of What is New In, subscribe for more updates on earth science tools, digital workflows, and AI applications in geoscience. And if you already use GeoMapApp, leave a comment and tell me how you use it, or what tool you want me to cover next.